Hi, today I'm going to be showing you how to make tabletop missiles. You need a piece of clay, modeling clay, any kind of clay that you can use, air dry, whatever. You need a Kool-Aid drink squeeze bottle, empty. You need one straw that is thin in diameter and another straw that is thicker in diameter. That way the one straw can slide easily over the other straw. Now, to make the missile, take a piece of the clay and carefully form a nose cone. Place the nose cone on top of the bigger straw as your rocket. Then take the smaller straw and insert it into the empty Kool-Aid drink container. About halfway, maybe a little more. Take another piece of clay and put it around the bottom of the straw and the top of the Kool-Aid drink container. This will prevent any air from getting out during launch. Okay. Put the larger straw rocket on top of the smaller. All you have to do is squeeze, and there's your tabletop missile. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you next time.